Hey, Marlene, I see you on here early today.
Yes, girl. So I got a question for you. I saw your video, What's on My Desk, and I felt ashamed. Mm.
Marlene, don't show me what's on your desk because I got a feeling that it's got a lot of things on your desk you
Um,
don't need. Is it cluttered all up?
you want to see?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm picking up my laptop. I'm gonna show you. Look at
guys,
it.
this is not rehearsal. Oh my God,
Look at that. You see that Popeye's cup? Mm-hmm. Yep. Candles.
Marlene, you
I got a
can't have
Bible, some lotion. Mm-hmm.
you can't have all of that on your desk. It keeps your mind cluttered and like you have so much stuff to do.
Well, I have to have the Bible because I need prayer.
Girl, you better take that Bible and put it on your bed right by you or whatever. I don't care. Wait, you need a what you call those? That furniture that you just put right there by your bed. You need one of
Uh-huh.
those.
Oh,
Bed,
you mean that little bedside nightstand
yeah,
table?
you
Mm.
need one of those by your desk to put that Bible on. If that's that important to you, because you really don't need it on your desk, okay? Because how many times do you open it up a day? Be honest.
What, the Bible?
Yeah.
Um, just in the morning.
Okay, then why do you need it the rest of the day? You close it up and you put it, even God speaks of order.
Shame.
Okay, now I want to know what you have on your desk. Show it to me.
Okay, I got my iPad
Why do you need that on your desk?
because sometimes if I check some things like okay, say I'm doing something editing a video, sometimes I have to transfer files or something from here to there.
Okay, all right,
So,
so that can stay.
okay.
Leave
I
that
got
on your
all
desk.
I got all these picture albums of my family. Sure do.
Girl, do I need to come over there and get a tree limb?
I got some foundation.
Oh,
I got my lighted mirror, guys. Sure do. So I could look at myself. Uh-huh. Oh, and I got all my earrings from Miss Kim's Bling Bling up in here. In a tackle box. Sure do. Oh,
mm.
I got some soap too on here. Look.
Now, okay, stop right there. Now, guys, then she calls me and want to know how I stay organized and what's on my desk. It was her idea
It
to,
was.
for me to do those two videos. So I took her idea and I said, well, that sounds pretty reasonable. I'll do it. But I am not a clutter person. Okay. So I had to learn how not to be a clutter person. Okay, I had to become willing to make that change. Make that change. Okay, so you're gonna have to become willing, Marlene, to not have
See, but
all the.
the first step is admitting you have a problem.
Well, do you have a problem?
Yeah, I do.
What is your problem?
My problem is I'm a clutter person.
Okay,
I
so
love it makes me feel good to have a lot of things.
girl, you need a therapist. Okay, that is why you cannot stay focused. Because you have too many things going on your desk to take your attention away.
Well, what about lotion? What about when I got to get some lotion put on? My elbows look ashy when I'm on the computer. What I'm supposed to do?
Marlene, do anybody live there with you?
Yeah, my niece.
Okay, but is she gonna be looking at your elbows and all of that?
Sometimes she'd be like, Auntie, you ashy. She
Well,
does.
then you need to get up from your desk, go to the bathroom or wherever you're gonna keep that lotion, and that's where you need to lotion up. You do not need to have that on your desk.
Well, what about my candles? I have my two candles. Uh-huh.
You put it on your nightstand by your desk. You need to buy one of those. That's still gonna be clutter. when you're working, Marlene, you have to stay focused on what you're doing. You have to stay focused on whatever it is that you have on your planner or on your tablet.
Yeah,
Unless
I
you
do.
would
I
like,
actually have that here.
yeah, but look how many, look what's
Oh,
on your,
it was on top of. I even got a roll of toilet paper here too.
oh, guys.
This is not rehearsed.
I'm going to need some help. Please put
Well,
in the comment and tell Marlene she needs to get herself together.
well,
Because that's it. What you gonna do with a roll of toilet paper?
well. Normally, I would have the box of the facial tissues, but they didn't have any in my store, so I just took one of the rolls just in case my nose start running. Use some toilet paper. Old
Okay.
school.
But if you have too much stuff on your desk, for me, if I have too much stuff on my desk, I'm gonna be, oh yeah, let me look. Oh yeah, and I will never finish nothing.
I don't, because I'll come over here and the next thing I start looking at my picture albums and forget I'm supposed to be doing something. I'm like, what was I doing? Oh yeah, look at how Mama was cute.
I don't know what to say other than I'm gonna have to come down to Florida with a tree limb. I'm not talking about a switch.
No,
A
no.
whole
That's okay.
tree
I'll be good.
and flip them legs. Okay, now let's remove some of that stuff.
Okay.
Only thing
I'm gonna
you
get rid of this.
and she got I bet you got medicine bottles on there too.
Oh, I
right?
got right here. I got my garlic.
I knew it. Now what then that's okay, go to the dollar store and get this where you can keep all your vitamins in and whatever medication you need on your desk. Okay. This is you could go to Dollar Tree, $1 for this. I buy 5 so that when uh lettering wear off, I just get a brand new one and throw this one away. So
Right.
and they last a long time.
Okay. All right.
So I want to write
what about my wig brush? I can keep it.
Oh, yeah, you can keep that on your desk. You can keep stuff on your desk you're going to use. You don't use all of that.
I sure don't. Oh, but what about my retainer? I don't need it.
What is that?
From my mouth, my teeth.
Why do you need that on your desk when you can have that on your nightstand by your bed?
But yeah, over there it's empty. You don't have nothing on there. That's clutter free.
What's clutter free?
Clutter is all here.
That's what I'm saying. We finna remove some. Okay. I want you to only have on your desk your computer, your Apple or whatever that is.
My iPad.
Your iPad. I want a pen and paper. I mean your planner and a pen. And if you have water, the rest of the stuff you need to take it off.
All this. Oh, I just found my mask. I've been looking for.
My You're probably gonna find a whole bunch of stuff. You don't need no earrings and all of that on your desk.
Oh, I got that too. I told you I got my little tackle box with all my earrings from Miss Kim's Bling Bling. Sure do.
Take that off your desk.
Yep. I'm moving it.
Take the photo album off your desk.
Oh, see, I got a Popeyes cup from my strawberry lemonade from yesterday.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. Look, candy wrappers. Sure do. Hey, I'm just gonna keep it real. There ain't no pretending over here. They know who they are.
I don't have no words. I have no words. Okay. And then she always calling me, telling me, I don't know what I'm doing. I got too much going on. Okay, yeah, look at your desk. First of all, you have to make that change.
Oh, look, I was inspired by Flower Glamorous. I went to Dollar Tree and got me a book. So I'm going
so why is that on your desk when you're trying to
inspire me to do something?
No. You should be inspired to make some money. That's what you need to be inspired.
Well,
every day I get up, I thank God for my life. I thank him for waking me up. And I ask all the time, this is what can I do for you? You've done so much for me, you know?
Right.
And after I have my meditation and all of that, I say, okay, God, it's time to make some money. Show me the way. That's what I do. And I take my book and I look to see everything that I didn't finish from the last day. I have it on here like I do right now. And then I get to work. And it's nothing on my desk to distract me from doing what's on that tablet. I have my phone on my desk because I have to do social media. Okay?
Okay, I'm just gonna remove these
I have
last
a
things.
pen on my desk, medicine on my desk,
Look at
water.
all these books.
That's it. That's 9 things I have on my desk. And my desk is pretty long. So, and my files. So,
All right. Now it's cleared off.
now let me see it now.
It's cleared off now. I don't have nothing on there.
Let me see. I want to see. Oh, now that's so much better. That is so
It's
much
clear.
better. Now, what you need to put on there is a pen.
Okay. I
Pen.
actually have a cup thing.
Okay, great. Put that on there. Put your iPad back on there.
Okay. Got my iPad.
Okay, and your planner.
Okay.
And if you have a bottle of water or anything like that.
Yep, I got my planner, my notebook.
Okay, put them there.
Okay.
And then your water, and that's it.
Okay.
That's
Yep, it's clear now. Nothing is there.
Right. That is how you're supposed to have your desk. You put things on there that you're actually going to help you make some money that day or get done with whatever it is you need to get done. And when you finish something, Marlene, on your tablet, you cross it out.
Okay.
You know, when you finish something and you cross it out, it makes you feel good. Okay, let me move on to the next
I feel
thing.
like I accomplished something.
Right.
Okay.
If you keep your desk like that and stop cluttering it up, your mind will get used to it. Yeah, and it will
what about
declutter.
a stapler? I don't need that. I can get rid of
Yeah,
it.
I have a stapler, but mine
Okay.
is not on my desk. It's on my little night deal by my desk. But you can put yours on your desk if you want to, but do not
So that's
crowd.
all I got on here now is an iPad, the cup, my notebook, a planner, and a stapler.
Good. That's all you need.
Okay.
Do not put that other stuff back on your desk. The next time I meet, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna say, show me your desk.
Yeah, you gonna? Oh, I know. I'm gonna be accountable with me. Be like, show me your desk. I'll be like,
Yeah, and every day I must make you make 3 videos a week showing people your desk.
Oh no, I have to be accountable now.
Because you have to declutter your mind. And I tell you, when you start to work today and turn around and work after we're done today, you're gonna feel like, oh, I don't have much to do. All I have to do is what's on this paper or on my planner, and you'll feel less anxious or less overwhelmed.
You're right, because I already do. Because I look over here and it's nothing.
Right. It's only what's in your planner. Okay. You have to, since you work and all of this stuff, Marlene, you have to plan around all of that. Do not even clutter up your planner. Put what you can do for that day on there. Just because you're off, that doesn't mean that you should still clutter yourself up with work.
Oh, but that's what I love to do. I said, I'm off now. Let's get all this done. Come on, let's go.
Well, you get as much as you can done, but if you don't, move it to the next day.
Oh, because I told you I usually have about 40 things I put on my agenda.
Ain't no way I'm going to finish no 40 things, and I'm very good at what I do. I don't know what to say about my friend Marlene. Well, we all have our thing, okay? But she asked for help, so I gave it to her today.
Yeah. They always say the first step is admitting you have a problem, so.
Yep, and you need to turn your will and your life over to a God because, baby, you cannot go.
But at least now I admit I had a problem. Before I used to say it's because I blamed it on my parents because they never told me how to declutter. That's what I've done my whole life. Mm-hmm.
You can tell she's the baby of the family.
It's their fault. They never taught me to declutter. So
Well, I'm telling you, declutter. And you need, and I need to declutter too, because when I get ready to move to my new apartment, when I move by myself, I'm not bringing all this stuff. I'm throwing it away or give it to the Goodwill. I am not bringing it with me because it's just too much junk. It's not junk, but it's
I know
stuff
what
that
you mean.
I don't use. And why keep it? Give it to somebody else that can use it. I'm when I come down there, I'm gonna check that closet.
That's a whole, y'all don't want to see. I'm not gonna turn my camera that way because that's a part too.
Girl, I can't talk. Mine is cluttered up too. This is why I'm telling you that when I leave this apartment I'm living in here, I will not. I'm only taking the clothes I'm going to wear. The rest I'm giving it away to people that can use it.
Use it.
You know, and I didn't buy so many earrings and stuff like that. Till what I'm going to do is I'm going to give those away too. Not the ones I bought from Miss Kim, never.
But those are older, nice, like the ones I got on today.
Right, the older ones. All of that is going to the Goodwill. I've already started thinking about it in my head, and that's what I'm going to do. Mm-hmm. You know, so I hope that we next Tuesday when we meet and you show me your desk, I'm hoping that it won't be this clutter on your.
Well, I'll just say what had happened was
I don't want to hear that. Then if you do that, you have to make 3 videos.
No, I'm not gonna do it then because I don't.
3 videos showing people your desk before you even talk about the Sunday talk.
Oh,
you know, and you're gonna have to make 2 videos saying I have to be accountable. So here's my desk. Okay. And you can't clean your desk right off before you get ready to do the video. You have to be honest, unless you're never going to get over it.
I'm going to be honest with you because I just showed you.
Okay. I just want to make sure. Because, see, I'm going to tell you what to do. I'm not going to let you say, Gio didn't tell me that, so I don't have to do it.
I said, oh, yeah, I've been good.
You know? See, I know Marlene.
Yeah, she knows me. Mm-hmm.
All right, now. So now that you have your desk all cleaned off and stuff like that, then you're ready to go to work. So I guess this would be the end of this video.
Okay.
Bye-bye, everybody. Declutter.
I will try.
Bye.
Be encouraged, be inspired, be yourself, you will survive. Just know it, just breathe.